Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. Today we have cupboard doors. If you look at the gap there, you can see there, if we do that, you can see what's going on. And again, over here, the same. Right? The reason for this happening is if we come around here and we take a look at the hinges. If I just bring this, see the hinges moving around? So what we're gonna do is try and cure that, because we've unscrewed it and tightened it. First thing you do, you tighten your doors up. Alright, you can see that is tight, so it is holding. Next one, again, tight. If you also look closely up here, you can see the marks where the hinges was originally, so you may need to lift your hinges. But what we're going to do, we're going to slacken it back off. And we're going to take one of the screws out completely. Right, so what we're going to do with the screws now, when we put it back in, we're going to get some no nails, just like that. And we're just going to put a little bit on it, just like that. So when we screw it back in, you don't need no more than that. As you screw it in, it'll spread and lock itself in there. So if we put that away for a second, we get our, let's put that one down somewhere, just like that. Loosen the bottom one back off, and we get our hinges back in the place where it originally was. So what we do, we catch that there, get our screw, tighten that up a bit more. Right, as you can see, we've got it back over the original markings, so it should be okay. Then we take our bottom one out. And again, get our no nails. Gonna drop on there. That's good enough. When you're trying to start it at first, it may seem a bit tight, but then get some. Now that should stay in there. So if we close our cupboard again now, we should see our door fairly even. Right? There is a little bit of movement on there, so if we open a cupboard door and we look at our hinges, as we move it, you can see the movement is in the hinge itself. So we try and tighten it back here. And we've got another one down the bottom there. Tighten those. And while you're at it, might as well check them all. move that out of the way. That's tight. As you can see, everything's getting, and that one tight. Was a little bit loose. Alright, so if we move everything back, everything else pulls out the cover at the same time. Yeah. We'll give it another go. Okay. Now our cupboard door is solid. But what I was going to show you, I've got a box here and I've got 2 spanners. Yeah. Underneath the door you can see it just fits, but if your screws had gone to the extent that it's not gripping, then you'd screw it all in, line it all up, put it underneath there and put that there just to support your door till the glue goes off. Alright, so basically that's it. So we close that back and we're gonna repeat the procedure on this one. So if we come around this side and we'll see if this one is just as bad. Again, exactly the same thing. Yeah, so I see where the mark is, and if we lift our hinges, it goes up and down. Alright, so we're gonna just repeat the procedure on this door to get it the same as our original door. Okay, so from tradespeople's tips, till next time, see you later. Look after each other and look after yourselves. Take care. See ya.